Local news or national hits, you choose. Alright, so let me show you how to get access to those information. Let's choose menu right here, the second button from the left, select setup, choose here audio, and as you can see, you can select here FM. So here you can enable the regional code change. Let's enable this feature. And some stations have regional variations. If you're on a long drive and want to stick to the same local program you started with, regional code change keeps you logged in. If it's off, the car will just jump to the strongest version of that network, even if the show is different. Stay on your favorite show.